Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share all the tips and tricks to help you and the best government jobs out there. Whether you are just starting your career or looking for a change, I have got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things, why should you consider a government job? Well, let me tell you, the benefits are amazing. You will enjoy job security, a stable income, and excellent retirement plans. Plus, government jobs often offer great work life balance and opportunities for growth. Now, let's talk about the top government jobs that you should keep an eye on. One of the most sought after positive is in the administrative field. These jobs can range from clerical work to of managing important projects. They provide a solid foundation for your career and open doors to various opportunities within the government. Another fantastic option is working in law enforcement, whether it's becoming a police officer or working as an investigator. These roles are not only exciting but also incredible, rewarding. You will be making a real difference in your community and ensuring safety for everyone. If you are more than into technology and innovation, then IT jobs within government might be perfect for you. From cybersecurity expert to software developer, these positions are in high demand and offer excellent growth potential. Now, let's not forget about healthcare. The government provides fantastic opportunities in these fields too. Whether you want to be a nurse, doctor, or work in a public health, there are countries opportunities available. Plus, the jobs come with great benefits and the satisfaction of helping others. Lastly, I want to mention education. Government jobs in this sector are perfect for those who have a passion for teaching and shaping your minds. You can become a teacher, school administrator, or even work in educational policy making. So there you have it, flocks. These are just a few examples of the best government jobs out there. Remember, the government range offers a wide range of opportunities in various fields, ensuring there's something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for make career tips. And as always, if you have any question or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.